Ka Kongres ka Aklamen bakan la ban ki imbiang ha jela mikria hadin bagi pai ba kimla ste ban priang ya ke BJP ke bale I kam bomla ban priang da ki pai ba kani ki jingkerman ka Kongres kalong hadin badon gini lam barim ka kamtam ha karo hills ki bawan ya sok biang sia ka seng Kongres ka working president ka MPCC ka dipura marak long bagi ni lam ki awan ya sok biang sia ka party ke musnid sangma klem ka ngono kendon Halor ke jingkli baka parti kan pedang ya Dr. Mukul sangma ada wan pai biang ka dibura ka ong baka parti kamdon kanugono ke bakang yano banyaso hanrei kama ban keren jirong Halor Dr. Mukul sangma ka kam bagi don sibun ba ka wan yaso tangba hak politik hak ban Buhrieh jajal bat on sapau pertai pat onda ka wan yaso Susu kala ong ba kala don re penyungut ba pan tiket banyak kun ya ke MDC election sega Karo Hills Autonomous District Council bat nama ba nangbun ba Kwah ban pan tiket ke parti kan khang no ya ke jingkhang ban pan tiket.
There are many. They are joining one by one. So we are getting ready. It is not proper. There are certain things in politics. We must keep it very secretly. When time comes, we will tell you.
So the TMC MDCs are also on the way.
Maybe they are reaching very soon.
What about MP?
We don't know yet.
So you hope that election will be held as per the time?
Looks like by first week of April.
So can you tell us your preparation plus how many candidates now?
See, it's very simple, sir. Let's just put it this way: the mood of the public at large. Okay, the mood of the public at large is definitely coming for us, which means that the Congress will obviously will revive, and no matter how much people criticize, no matter how much people talk against the party, definitely it's something which is the public is showing a different tangent altogether. So it's moving in a different direction altogether. So we're hopeful that many others will join.
Good.
But however, by saying that people will join the party does not necessarily mean that everybody will join or will allow everybody to join, right? We'll also have to filter out, depending on the kind of people who are joining, depending on whether they are opportunistic in nature or they just joining the party because they firmly believe. Like for instance, when Mr. Zinit Sangma joined, he joined out of goodwill, right? And he joined because he still has a love for the party, and such personalities with, very tall personalities should also be considered, right? So it's a case-to-case basis, which Madam will take it forward as a as a working president with her. So I think leave it, sir.
No, I'll just say that.
Yeah.
We have 29 seats. Okay. I think out of 29, I think application we receive 60 plus.
67.
67.
And that also
Yeah.
is not because they received 67, but Madam decided to close the window, saying that if we keep on waiting, that more people will apply. So she said it's becoming a bit too much, so they had to stop. So 67 is a good enough number to get for 29 seats.
Okay, Northeast recently,